Hey there! I'm here to talk to you about something that could change your financial game. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Want to see your savings grow and finally smash those financial goals? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Money Booster, your new financial fitness coach. Here's the deal. I get it. The world of finance can be complex and, let's be honest, pretty dry. But that's where Money Booster steps in. We're not about just throwing jargon at you. We're here to break down those big financial concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-digest pieces that you can start using today. Now let's talk about what you're going to get from our videos. First off, clear step-by-step guidance. We simplify the complex stuff, making it super accessible. Second, it's all about actionable tips. Forget about the theory. We're focusing on practical strategies that you can implement right after watching. And trust me, our engaging presentation will keep you hooked and motivated as you journey towards wealth building. Excited yet? Here's how you can join the Money Booster fam. Subscribe to our free newsletter by visiting moneybooster.substack.com for regular tips that'll boost your finances straight to your inbox. And if you're hungry for more, consider our premium newsletter for deeper dives and bonus strategies. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to never miss a video. And hey, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below, share your thoughts, or just tell us how your day's going. Your input means the world to us. So, if you're ready to take control of your money and build a secure future, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Let's build your financial future together. Remember, every big journey begins with a simple step. Take that step with us today. #MoneyBooster hash, financial freedom hash, side hustle ideas hash, passive income hash investing for beginners.